Stevie Wonder isn't blind.
Has musical genius Stevie Wonder been faking his blindness for his entire career to elicit sympathy? That's the theory behind a small but vocal group of truthers who believe the musician actually can see, and always has been able to. Their proof is mostly cherry-picked evidence, but does deserve a closer look, pardon the pun. Stevie Wonder has gone to basketball games. How does he know what basketball looks like? He's recorded a PSA against drunk driving. What would he know about driving? He was caught on film catching a falling mic stand. How does a blind person do that? Boy George claimed Wonder came up to him at a party and knew who he was.
Miley Cyrus is an Obama administration sleeper agent.
Miley Cyrus is accused by some conspiracy theorists of being some kind of walking distraction, keeping the American people focused on frivolities while horrible things happen elsewhere. But Korn lead singer Jonathan Davis, himself a hardcore conspiracy theorist, took it one step further, saying that Cyrus's infamous twerking performance in 2013 was engineered by the Obama administration to destroy America, divide the American people, and distract us from Obama passing dictatorial powers for himself in the form of the NDA. Davis's theory misses one crucial fact: the NDA was signed in January 2012. A year and a half before Miley Cyrus destroyed America by twerking.
John Travolta was replaced by a German singer.
Actor John Travolta and deceased German Schlager singer Roy Black share more than a passing semblance. They had the same facial structure, hair, mouth, and nose. According to one conspiracy theory, it means that one replaced the other. While Black is said to have died in 1991 of a heart attack, what happened to the original Travolta is currently unknown, but it's probably not good.
Billy Joel wrote the Illuminati national anthem.
Billy Joel wrote the Illuminati national anthem.
Hollywood stars can travel through time.
If you've ever seen an old-timey picture of someone from the turn of the century who looks like a modern celebrity, you're dealing with either a mild case of confirmation bias or with Hollywood stars who can literally travel through time. Conspiracy theory websites are filled with comparisons of celebrities to people in old pictures.
The Beatles never existed.
Anyone can think Paul McCartney died in a car crash in 1968. But a real conspiracy theorist takes it one step further, just like the creator of the website The Beatles, as they were presented to us, never existed. The theory's anonymous mastermind presents us with a wealth of evidence showing that the Beatles as we know them were a combination of lookalikes, robots, decoys, synthetic beings, and countless actors playing single members of a band. The supposed proof is in discrepancies in height, facial features, teeth, eyebrows, and demeanor.
Avril Lavigne was replaced by a double.
Is the perky Canadian singer of Skeeter Boy and Complicated actually dead and being played by a lookalike? That's the hypothesis behind the Brazilian fan site Avril is Dead. It claims that the real Avril was disappeared in 2004 and replaced by a body double named Melissa Vandella. Melissa had previously been Avril's body double, meant to throw off the paparazzi. And when Avril became morose, the death of her grandfather, a replacement was needed to keep the Avril Lavigne gravy train going. The evidence for this is some blemishes on her skin that appear to be a bit darker depending on the lighting, and a video Avril gave in Brazil, where someone asks her about the theory that she's actually dead, and she has no idea what they are talking about.
Marisa Tomei's Oscar was a mistake.
Tomei's shocking victory in the 1993 Best Supporting Actress race gave birth to a conspiracy theory that presenter Jack Palance was so drunk or stoned when giving the award that he read the wrong name, and everyone in Hollywood just ran with it.
Jennifer Aniston and Vin Diesel stole a bunch of movies.
A truly insane conspiracy theory went around in 2010 that movie stars Vin Diesel and Jennifer Aniston had conspired together to steal dozens of movies and erase them from existence. These titles include all of the Transformers movies G, Joe, and Avatar, which were all made a decade earlier than we think they were, and doled out by the movie stars as a response to Sienna Miller attempting to do something bad. The theory stems from a letter sent to The Hollywood Reporter and has no supporting evidence.
Britney Spears was a deep-cover Bush administration agent.
While she might be a full-time mom and part-time Vegas attraction now, Britney Spears was among the biggest celebrities of the Bush years. Hence the conspiracy theory that she was an off-the-books employee of W, paid to engineer distractions and keep the American peoples off the chicanery going on in Washington. Surprisingly, the timing of this conspiracy kind of matches up. Spears' 55-hour marriage to a childhood friend coincided with the Valerie Plame scandal breaking. When Bush's approval rating hit its all-time low, Spears made news again for having a Child Protective Services visit. Then, when the 2006 midterm rolled around, Britney announced she was splitting with her husband. Finally, her 2007 meltdown diverted attention from Al-Qaeda reforming in Pakistan. One thing that makes this conspiracy theory less plausible is that it hinges on a rumored romance between Spears and Bush administration mastermind Karl Rove.
Katy Perry is actually JonBenet Ramsey.
Was the murder of 7-year-old JonBenet Ramsey in 1996 never solved because she was never actually murdered? The evidence for the theory is that Ramsey and Perry have some similar facial features and eyebrows, and that the two sets of parents do as well. That's about it. In fact, Perry and Ramsey were born about 6 years apart.
Beyonce faked her pregnancy to conceal fertility issues.
Beyonce seems to attract rumors the way flames attract moths. Fabulous, multi-talented moths who can sing, dance, and roam the world. One of the most researched, if you will, is that her 2011 pregnancy, the one that brought Blue Ivy into the world, was all an elaborate fake.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.